good morning.
Morning. What's up?
You're gonna find out if your bike is comfortable.
Pretty much.
Yeah. First long ride for Pogues today. First time in Zion too, no?
Yeah.
We haven't even left yet. What's up, bro? What happened?
I forgot my fog light.
Pogi saw it, he didn't turn it off.
You can't find the switch.
Yes, sir.
You make me feel so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart. I wanna be with
Yo!
you.
Sabi niya sa akin punta, bukas. Doon lang, sa may St. George, sabi ko. Sa Mount Zion. Wow! Mount Zion? Sabi mo sa akin St. George lang. Eh, di ba doon yun? Wow! Sana all!
Cup holder, baby.
How can you fucking drink with your helmet?
Wala nga dyan the helmet.
Oh, the modular. Nice!
So, it's time to get ready. Mabiyahe na kami. Usapan 7:10 kickstand up kami, pero siguro mga 7:30 na. And we'll just post kung anong makita natin along the way. So, samahan nyo kami today. Mount Zion with the adventurers. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Bye.
So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart. I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight.
Grouping initiated. Grouping succeeded.
How many?
Grouping succeeded. Good morning.
Good morning. How many subscribers we got?
Yes. Hello.
Hello,
Hey,
good
there you go.
morning, Papa Pogs.
Good morning. Good morning.
Onins, you got the maps. You take the lead, brother.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mesquite, first stop.
Okay.
Yeah, it's about 80 miles I think, or 70.
Yeah, boy.
I got the map. That's it, boys.
Let's go.
It's monkey in the middle. Guess who's the monkey?
It's the green monkey.
It's the green monkey.
For real? Is that for real, folks? It's your first time in Zion? Or gonna be in Zion?
Oh,
Okay.
That's why Bobby was like, hey, be careful. Might be hot.
Oh yeah, so Bobby knows.
Bobby knows. What's up, Papi? Oh, my bad. My bad. Yo.
Look on the right, down there.
Okay. Oh, the bigger board.
Oh, shit. Look, Pogi. Pogi, did you see it on the
Oh,
right?
shit.
Did you
Yeah, we
see?
can bring our paddles.
That's a lot of quiet.
Oh, fuck.
Stretchy time.
Imagine, folks, we used to drive this every Sunday before.
What?
To shoot.
Shoot.
Oh, gun shooting?
Yeah. That place where Bomac proposed, there's a range there. That's where we used to go.
But that's where you used to compete, right?
Yeah, the weekly Tropang Vegas shoot.
No
You just go
shell?
here, left side.
Shell. Yeah.
There's a
Shell,
shell?
man.
This should be shell, no?
What? Which one?
Green Valley Shell, yeah?
Oh, is
Yeah.
it?
Supposed to be. I don't know what happened.
That's it's easier to exit. Okay, let's fill up here then.
We can
You want me
fill.
to look for a shell?
This is.
Ah,
I,
this should
thought,
be-
I thought this is shell. Oh, it is shell.
Yeah, I thought this showed.
There is shell?
Yeah. The diesel one.
Yeah,
It
it
says
is
shell.
Yeah, it's just.
Okay,
it's
put diesel.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is shell.
This is the same price as Vegas.
Yeah.
We done did it. Good pace. Good pace.
So is it like 1 more hour to get there?
Yeah. Let's see if it's charging. Are you charging?
Good chan. Good chan. Yeah. Ito dapat naka-steady po na yan.
Naka-record tayo ngayon eh.
Yan. Pause yan mo.
Pause natin, okay.
Ah.
It was fake.
There's a car on the right there.
Hey, squeeze the handle on the right side.
Mr.
Super big exit.
Somebody proposed here.
Dito tayo nag-propose sa Tocqueville Falls. Lagay natin yung link dyan kung saan yung Tocqueville.
Yes, sir.
Meron tayong vlog dyan eh.
Look ahead.
Just keep pushing. You're far. Keep pushing it. There you go. There you go. Look at that. So yung falls, papasok dito sa left. Dyan, sa kantong yan.
Dito
Dito
pa.
pasok. Oo. Tapos, ano yan, 5 miles trail off-road. Tapos may falls dyan sa ano, sa Batanlog.
Anong year ka nag-propose?
Ano na?
Anong year ka nag-propose na?
Pandemic, 2020.
Oh, COVID.
Eh, nung pinasal si Bomac, sabi sa akin, pag di ako nagpakasal sunod, puta, i-write up ako sa trabaho. Tana, hindi nagpakasal ako.
You see that big mountain, Pogi, ahead of you? The one,
That's where we're going.
the tallest one.
The tallest one?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
That's where we're going.
How the hell are we getting up there?
Wait, you'll see it.
You'll see it, man. Relax.
I'll let you know when it's time to switch to enduro mode. Okay, this view is even nothing compared to what's inside.
Yeah. Paid parking zone, next 3 miles. Yan na, napuno na.
Are you starting to see this, Pogi?
Buti na, may dala akong jacket extra. Just in case, mainit.
Parang naka-groom tayo dati, hindi nga ito yung tsura nito, no?
Mas maganda na ngayon. Mas inayos na nila.
Inayos na yung sidewalk. No?
Ah.
Tsaka mainit doon, bro.
Yeah. Totoo yun.
Sobrang init doon, mainit doon. Kasi na-stuck tayo doon sa stoplight ng ano, ng tunnel.
Oo.
Kaya. Eh, shell pala dito. Kaya pa yan si Pogs o?
Kaya pa yan? Hindi naman tayo masyadong lalayo sa loob eh. Palabas
Okay.
siguro. Magkano kaya yung gas na yan?
349, 350.
Ah, not bad.
Pareho lang.
Zion Park Hotel.
Dito yung masarap na ice cream, yan o.
Saan?
Yun, right side.
Parang masarap dyan mamaya pa uwi ah.
Bamboo
Yan.
Chinese restaurant. Ito mag-lunch na mamaya na. Masarap-sarap. Kape,
Left turn,
kape.
left turn.
Bago pumasok. O yun o. Ganda ng Zion din o. Ganda rin ng view ng Zion talaga eh. Oh.
Ganda sa Zion talaga, napaka ano, clear ng ulap.
Walang ano dito? Walang, may bayad ba pa?
Free. Canyon, Hungry Goat and Canyon Coffee, free parking, 40
Okay.
minutes. So, hindi
Oh.
ka nagbabayad.
Okay, ayos yan.
Primera.
Yep, first gear.
Cambio kayo.
We made it!
Lang gear, folks.
Gracias, sir. Good lead.
Good job.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Good job.
So we made it to Zion. Finally here. Yep. Pogi's first time. Actually, wala pa kami sa loob ng Zion. We still have to go up there and then go to the entrance. And then it's even nicer inside. Way nicer. What you got, Pepe? What do we get?
Vanilla caramel.
That's hella sweet. Coffee sponsored by Mr. Sarap Vlogs. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Ito kasi yung pinakamura eh. Yung pinakamura. Abangan nyo.
Kasi kakagastos lang yan ng PMS kaya.
Ano yun abot? Ano yun abot? 400?
Gear up, boys! Okay, gear up. Pasok na tayo sa loob ng Zion. Panoorin nyo na lang yung vlog. First time for Pogs.
First time mo? Siyempre.
Pero di ko malampis sa pan. Oh. So meron gate dito eh. Papasok may bayad din.
Squid Gaming. This one is gonna take us to the tunnels.
Ay biyang alayuta.
Kebiang, baby!
Ay biyang alayuta.
Hey, do you guys know that Pogi is afraid of heights?
Really?
Hell yeah.
We're in the best spot for you then.
Yeah. When we go back, good luck.
Should I turn around?
No, motherfucker. Now we understand.
There's a car.
telling you,
There's a car
dude.
stop.
Telling you, I'm gonna freak out if I see height.
Oh, you don't look
Yeah.
on the cliff.
Just look
Look
at
on the road,
Nino.
bro.
Yeah.
Ah.
When you're in the plane, folks, you sit in the aisle.
I'll see ya.
You're
No,
just like my mom.
he's in the bathroom the whole time. Woo! You see the view? You see the view?
It's nice.
Don't look down. Just always look up. the view is nicer up there.
Basta nga, pag nahulog, kailangan pababa. Mahirap mahulog paakyat.
Bakit?
Kaya sabi ng asawa ko, wow, Mount Zion. sabi mo, St. George. Oo nga. Gusto rin si mama eh.
Si Joanna eh, nagtatanong eh. May girls pa? Wala. Tayo na lang.
Pwede naman kami maging girl pa minsan-minsan. Hey, look at Pogi, bro. Fucking, I'm proud of you, man.
Proud of you. Proud of you, bro. Proud of you.
Yeah.
He's not talking anymore.
Oh, the only thing about this, folks, you can go around by yourself, fucking. You know, we're far from home. We don't have Airbnb here.
Don't look down, folks. Don't look down.
Damn, what the fuck?
You got this. You got it.
Yeah, you
Don't
got it.
worry. Don't worry. Just enjoy the ride. What's the BMW tagline? Make life a ride.
Make life a ride.
Was it? And there you go.
This is promising. Looks like there's gonna be no traffic on the tunnel. I hope I don't speak too soon.
It's not too bad.
Damn.
Ooh-wee.
See, it's super different seeing this view from a motorcycle versus inside the car.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's not the same.
There you go. Even Red Rock different.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold. Cold here. Oh, this is the last turn before the tunnel.
Yes, sir. I hope we can
It's
get.
nice here.
It's nice.
Does it stop or no?
Let me see. Oh, we're stuck. Okay, we stop at the shade.
Where is the rock climber?
Dito sa likod na ito eh.
Pagkagad yan.
Blue shirt. Yan siguro ang hindi ko gagawin. Tangin na.
Oh, si Joe. Ganyan ang laro ni Joe eh.
Si Joe?
Si Joe.
Oh, Joe.
Joe. Yeah, Joe.
Pero tangin na. Hell no, bro.
Yeah, no.
Hell no, bro.
Shit.
Here you go, Kebiang Tunnel,
Kebiang
Alayuta version.
Bakit may kotse pa din? I thought they only do one way.
If they're working on it, but if it's good, it's supposed to be two-way.
Oh.
Let there be light. Boo.
Aking red bomb.
Ito na yung tunnel ng Mount Zion.
Hell yeah.
Ay, may view sa
Oh.
kaliwa.
Ew, nice. This is the slowest I've been here.
Ayun, view.
Putang ina, pulag yung mga tao sa atin.
Bulan. Ay,
I forgot.
Bulan.
I forgot.
Mahaba rin itong tunnel na to, no?
Oh,
rin to,
mahaba to, yeah.
Yeah. Pag pinigil mo yung hiling, siguro patay. Hi, Pogi!
Hello.
Hello.
Hello!
Anong part ng Laguna yung paglabas mo ng Cabiang Tunnel?
Nasugbo.
Nasugbo. This is Nasugbo. Ang Nasugbo namin.
na tayo.
Kaso walang beach.
Beach, madaming beach.
Betches.
Oh, another tunnel. This is a short one.
This one's gonna take us back to the future.
Yeah.
Pogi, man, why are you so quiet, bro? You're not having fun?
What? Doing good? Doing good, folks?
My nose bleeds.
Your nose is bleeding?
No.
Oh.
Remember how you say when speaking English you get nosebleed? So I'm getting nosebleed from riding.
Stupid. Bro, that's Return of the Jedi, man.
Ay, dadali natin siya Tito Willie dito. Puta.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Scouting na to. Scouting tong ginagawa natin.
Ikot ng Arizona, Page,
Kahit
Sedona.
pag dumating sila dito, kahit hindi ako magmotor, ako na magdadrive ng truck. Ako na ang
Yeah.
Backup.
Ako na ang backup. Basta makaride lang sila dito. Kung sakaling magkakulang-kulang lang sa motor. Kung magkakulangan lang sa motor ba, you know?
Rent tayo, puta yun. Eagle Rider.
Rent tayo. Alam mo, ang pinakamahal na rentang motor sa Eagle Rider, itong mga motor na to.
Ay, ang intindi lang natin, motor naman tatlo.
Oo.
Ay, lusot yan. Tangin na yan.
Ayan.
Lusot yan, putang ina, naka-hyper motor si Makmak dito. Putang ina. What's up, fuckers?
Tapos nakapanigali ako. Mag-enjoy na kayo.
Hey, hilahin na. Ano mo ba?
Yeah. That even feels better. It's going through my vest.
Ice cream ba to? Ice cream?
Is it? No? No.
No.
Man, you got my hopes up.
Right.
Like,
Mamaya, paglabas.
Oo, dun sa sinasabi mo. Oo.
Yeah.
Dali mo kami doon.
Sarap dun.
Pinakapi mo na kami, biniyaran mo na yung gate. Magpa-ice cream ka na rin, puta.
Easy.
Puta.
Hindi yan, Mr. Sapio, di puta.
Ay, puta ka. May mga ganyang banat, masalo ako nagyayabang dyan. Tangina. Pagka na-decline, bahala na kayo.
At least bumunot ka, di ba? Puta na.
Pausapan lang, bubunot eh.
Oo. Kaya. Mahirap yung matagal bubunot eh.
Pwede natin iikot dito. Yan.
Medyo yan, no? Ito.
Alright, so dito na tayo magpipiknik. Good job, folks!
Actually, pwede tayo mag-picnic doon sa ano. Paglabas ng tunnel na mahaba.
Oo, doon na lang mas malamig doon eh.
Yeah.
Oh, pwede na
Yeah.
tayong bumalik.
I don't know.
Yung after ng tunnel na mahaba, yung kung saan tayo magpipicture.
Oo.
Pwede tayo tumambay doon.
Yeah, kasi
Walang
may...
shade doon.
No, meron. Madilim madaan doon eh.
Are we clear? We're clear here.
They're here.
Clear here.
Oh yeah, we're clear here.
Very good, Chief.
Wide open, pimpin'.
Naubusan tayo ng baterya kanina po.
I'm on my 3rd battery on the Ace Pro 2.
Now we're heading back.
Musubi time.
This will be first in the night paper.
Decreasing right turn.
Yep, this one's sharp, Pogi. The one coming on the right hand, okay? It's a hairpin.
Soup.
There's a car coming as well.
You're good, you're good. Push that. There you go. If you don't see the exit, don't throttle. There you go. Close.
Damn, this looks different going back. And the asphalt feels like there's a lot of grip, no?
Yeah. This one grips.
It's like a sandpaper. Another hairpin.
A lot of cars coming. 3 cars.
Dun, 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 dun. Fucking Bogey's too serious, bro.
Don't forget, you need to pew pew pew.
Tan, 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 tan. I am your father.
Ahead. Alright, we're going back to the tunnel.
Balik na tayo sa Cavite.
Palabas na tayo ng ng Nasugbu. Balik tayo ng
Cavite yan, di ba? Pa Cavite?
Ano anong Cavite, anong part ng Cavite? Kaya hindi naman Gentry eh. Gentry nga pa.
Oh no.
Gentrias?
Ano 3 years nga ba yun? O putang na yung Goldwing kanina pa yung dumaan, ba't nandiyan pa rin?
Kabyang Tunnel exit.
Nabunot yung mic po, ta.
Another perspective. This one is a different view. Right there, brothers. Damn, it's gonna be.
Motherfucking.
It's gonna be.
He said motherfucker. He said motherfucker.
That looks like a painting, no?
Oh yeah,
That's crazy.
every time.
I'm gonna stand up. I'll give you a painting.
Ah fuck, there's no shade.
There's no shade. Keep going. Keep going.
I told you.
We'll find
no
something.
shade there.
Maybe at 3 o'clock there's gonna be a shade here because of the sun is on the other side of the mountain.
Yeah. Fuck. Well, we can take photos though. Yeah, left side, this tree.
Yeah?
Okay, I'll go in. Ah, damn.
Loose dirt, loose dirt.
That's kamote. Kamote move. Salubong.
There you go. Musubi time!
Subi,
Damn, we don't have water.
Do we even have fucking drinks, bros? Pogi, you got drinks?
I can stand up.
No, you have drinks?
I don't know if there's any water in there.
Man, the whole time we were going back here, the only thing that you said was,
That's right.
okay, it's 1 o'clock Utah time. So, 12 o'clock yan Las Vegas time. Lunch break muna tayo. And then, we should be heading back soon. Pero baka mag-ice cream muna rin tayo uli. So, we'll get back to you guys. Doses.
Musubi.
Some damn soup.
With,
From where?
Jamaica.
Micah.
Woo! Thank you very much for our lunch
Thank you very
today.
much.
Sponsored.
That's different.
That's different. We don't have drinks. That's gonna be different. Alright guys, lunch break. Nandito kami sa Zion.
Yung tayo merienda today. Musubi. Musubi time.
Thank you, Ate Micah.
Let's go, let's eat.
I appreciate it. So man, you still stressing out? Or are you good now?
You already said mother.
We're not done. We're not done yet.
What do you mean? Wait, hold up. So I got the big magnet. He got the small one, but he got a jersey. Damn! Tatampo na ulit ako po. Shit! This is nice too.
Actually, he bought that, I think. Yeah, he bought
Oh, he
that.
bought this?
Yeah, he bought this, yeah.
When did you buy it? Purple.
When we got the mic.
Congrats. Yung binigay ni Nick, kailangan ko na laban eh.
Sulit na.
Oo, lagi ko suot yun.
Alright, let's gear up. Time for ice cream so we can head home. We're gonna get ice cream. Tapos magagas kami bago lumabas ng hurricane. And then balik na tayo ng Vegas.
3. Group members connected.
Ako, nasa last na ako na baterya eh. Pagkatapos natin mag-ice cream, baka sa-sign out na rin ako.
Sign out na. Oo. Enjoy na natin yung ride pa uwi niyan.
Enjoyin yung init. Putang ina.
Di ako excited eh, pero wala tayong choice eh. Ganun naman talaga eh.
Yeah.
That's life.
That's life. We are good to go.
May puting van ha. Nakunguha ng bata.
Fuck.
After ng Raptor, pwede kong clear dyan. Okay, pasok. Jotarok. SUV.
Incoming.
Okay. Go folks.
Yeah.
See folks, that's more scarier than going down this road. Buti na lang, magdala ako jacket. Kung naka-leather ako ng mamaya, yari.
See, he got quiet again. He's stressed out again.
Ten. You bring colors to our life, man.
Shit, I've been black and white.
We're on the bottom of the mountain. He's talking again.
Yeah.
Tan, 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 tan. And that's it, guys. That is Mount Zion.
Mount Zion. Yes, sir.
Ice cream time, and then we're heading back to Vegas.
Dito tayo ha.
Park mo na.
Ito. Itong parking na to, pwede to.
Anong parking?
Ay, ayan yun. Sa next to the building.
Alright.
Oh, it's a laundromat.
Alright, ice cream na tayo. Nararasahan ko na yung lamig.
Mamaya sabugan tayo mo dyan.
I made it.
You made it. Oh, we're still gonna pass the gorge.
Oh shit.
And that's downhill.
Oh, shit. It's the only day they're closed.
Well.
Ha?
I-google nyo, tignan nyo kung may ice cream pa. Baka meron pa.
Yung kanina, yung yun. Kaya naman siniswerte ka, no?
Anong araw today?
Ha?
Anong araw today?
Wednesday, hump day.
Wednesday, hump day.
Closed.
Closed.
Closed. Oh, right there. Ice cream talaga kami. Pucha. Tara.
Yeah, may Chinese restaurant doon, si Bamboo. Gift shop, bakery, and live theater. Let's try this.
There's my t-shirt.
What t-shirt? Lazy ass. Oh, should we sit on the ice cream? Good, man. Mabuti. Maraming salamat po. It's good words. It's good words. Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
65 cents.
To the bin.
Oh, thank you. That's
Thank
very
you.
generous of you.
I appreciate you guys.
Appreciate you.
Thank you. Natuloy din yung ice cream. Yes sir, you're welcome. Oh, ayun, apat upuan. Apat upuan.
So, nag-enjoy kayo, guys?
Yes, thank you. Yung wala sa plano, yung natutuloy yung maganda.
Yun nga talaga yun.
We made it.
Fucking Pogi made it down.
You still got the gorge going home, bro.
So far, bitch. Damn.
Alright, that's it for our ice cream break. Balik na kami ng Vegas. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Alright guys, thank you for coming with us today. We'll see you guys on the next video.
God bless everyone and be a blessing to one another. Peace.
Police.
Hello! He's probably laughing at us.